Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete account here in Canva. Let's begin. If you need to delete your Canva account, you can follow these simple steps. Keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent and you will lose access to all your designs, templates, and assets. Once you are logged into your Canva account, I want you to hover to the homepage. On the upper right corner, I want you to click on the profile icon, and there's going to be called settings. Click that, and what will happen is you would be forwarded here, right? Hover down below, and then go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the login and security. You see there's going to be an option here that says delete your account. By deleting your account, you'll no longer be able to access any of your designs or log into Canva. Your Canva account was created at this point, and if you want to delete that, click on delete account. But you're going to be welcome with a pop-up window wherein you have to read and understand all of this. This is very important, all right? Because Canva will send a confirmation email to ensure that you want to proceed with the account deletion. And of course, you just have to follow the instructions in that email to complete the process, right? The following will be deleted as well. You have like created designs, templates, folders, media, themes you created, including personal, all right? After submitting this form, you have 14 days to log back into your account to restore it before it's permanently deleted. Enter the code that was sent to the deeplabs.com if you want to proceed. All right? And of course, from here, all you have to do is enter that code and you would be able to delete your account successfully. But let me tell you that if in case you encounter any problems along the way, you might want to go into the Canva customer support service. All right? And from here, if you're having issues, problems deleting your account, after doing all of these are going to be some of the channels. All right? You can get help from the chatbot. All right? Might want to type in your questions. Just wait for it to load. Because as you can see at the moment, response times are a bit slower than usual. Type in your question to see if we get an answer. All right? And again, if you are unsure about deleting your account, you might consider temporarily deactivating it for simply not using it, as this could be a less drastic option. All right? Before deciding to delete a Canva account, it's often worth considering whether there are alternative options, such as pausing or simply not using the account, especially if there's a possibility of needing it in the future. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.